Great companies embrace change as an opportunity, and innovation is that change which unlocks new values. One company that is progressing and thriving with this conviction over the last 25 years is ACE Manufacturing Systems, a part of the ACE Micromatic Group, the largest machine tool group in the country, is your partner in progress. AMS started its operations in 1994 with a vision of being a global leader in engineering and technology to deliver reliable, cost-effective, quality products and services through passionate people and inspiring leadership. Since then, we have been consistently producing high-precision machines and offering turnkey solutions with cost-effective and excellent service support. AMS believes in its indigenous talent and conviction to touch global levels of quality in products and services, which has led it to achieve a substantial growth over the years. As a front-runner of the precision machining industry, AMS has successfully completed 25 years of passionate manufacturing, innovation and service, ensuring customer delight at every given opportunity. Its diverse range of products include high-speed drill tap machining centers, high-performance vertical machining centers, robust horizontal machining centers, high productivity twin spindle vertical machining centers, and multitasking 5-axis machining centers. With a rich experience in developing effective tooled-up machines, we have successfully provided over 2,500 plug-and-play solutions for various customers across the globe. Supported by a skilled and competent group of application engineers, we also offer solutions to provide productivity, significantly reduce the overall cost per component, and deliver consistent performance over a prolonged period of time. We not only offer products, but also offer a wide range of end-to-end solutions. Starting from process optimization, fixtures solution, tooling section, complete prove-out, IoT solutions and automation solutions, our machines are built to suit every customer's requirements. We are a customer-centric organization and ensure to treat every customer with true reverence. Known for its flexibility in meeting their unique needs and requirements, AMS offers a variety of productivity enhancers and customized optional features, ensuring complete customer satisfaction. It is no wonder that around 70% of companies buying machines are repeat customers. AMS has a state-of-the-art facility in Pina, spanning over an area of 540,000 square feet, spread over 10 acres and includes the corporate office and the factory. The first phase of the factory has a built-up area of over 2 lakh square feet. AMS is now powered by a brand new multi-story machine building facility, a first of its kind in the country, increasing the current total capacity to 3,500 machines per year. The core strength of AMS lies in its rich design expertise. A dedicated research and development team is focused on the design and development of innovative products and solutions. The Government of India has also recognized AMS for its research and development efforts. It is this strength in our indigenous talent that has earned us accolades. AMS believes that technology and consistent innovation are the key to boosting quality in products. Over the years, and with the support from visionary leadership, AMS ensures strict quality standards by maintaining a process-oriented approach, resulting in enhanced reliability of machines. The manufacturing and assembly of machines undergo a series of stringent quality control processes. Every machine passes through a series of rigorous quality test procedures before they are cleared for dispatch. All the parts of our machines are made on the best mother machines with advanced features, including AMS's own vertical and horizontal machining centers. The products and processes at AMS are certified in conformance with international standards. AMS follows Integrated Management Systems policy for quality, environment, safety, information security and social accountability, pledging on satisfaction of customers, employees and partners, focusing on innovation and continuous improvement across the spectrum and protection of environment, safety, health and workplace conditions. Complying with all legal and statutory requirements, enhancing environmental performance through optimal consumption of resources and reducing waste. We have over 55 plus sales and service centers in the country catering to various industry segments including automotive, die mold, general engineering, aerospace and defense, medical and energy. We also offer machining solutions across the globe to countries including Mexico, South Korea, China, Thailand, Russia, Middle East, France, Turkey, Germany, Japan, the US and the UK. AMS is home to versatile and quality engineered products and machining solutions and ensures to remain ahead in pursuit of excellence. ACE Manufacturing Systems